welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. In this video, I am going to discuss in brief about the Mars transit which recently took place in Gemini. So Mars planet stays in one zodiac sign for 45 days. Every 45 days it keep on changing the zodiac sign. So previously it was sitting with the Taurus with the Jupiter, and now it is sitting in the zodiac sign Gemini. So this particular transit of Mars in Gemini is not a good transit. So due to this transit, 8 major zodiac signs will be having a negative effect on them. Other 4 zodiac signs will be blessed by this transit. Overall, at the country level, at the individual level, more fights will be seen, more quarrels between the family members, problem in the love relationship. Finances wise, people are going to face a lot of problem during this period. To understand more in detail about your zodiac sign, so if you have subscribed the channel, then thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so subscribe it to get the daily notifications from us. So in this video, I am going to discuss in brief about each zodiac sign, how this particular transit is going to impact you and what you should do to overcome the challenges during this time. This particular transit of Mars into Gemini is a blissful time for 4 zodiac signs, that is Aries. It is a good time. Try to complete all your pending tasks during this time. If you are stuck in any legal case, then try to complete it with the grace of the God. You will be able to complete it successfully. Leo people, you are struggling a lot to get the appreciation in your hard work. So during this time, if you do more hard work, you will be able to get the results. And with the blessings of the Mars, you will be able to get some relief also. Virgo people, this is a good time career wise, but this is not so good time marriage wise and love relationship wise. You have to be little bit conscious in your relationship, love relationship and the marriage wise. Capricorn, this is a good time career wise. Try to focus on your career. Try to complete all your pending tasks during this time. With the blessings of Mars, you can do good during this time. This is a golden period for you. So for these 4 zodiac signs, if any of your work is pending since long, to try to complete it during this time, as time is in your favor. Taurus, Sagittarius and Virgo, you have to be conscious in your love relationship and the married life. There are high possibility of quarrels, breakup, and there are high possibility that your partner may stop talking to you during this time. So you have to be conscious during this time. Try to do the remedies to overcome the challenges. What you have to do during this time for coming 45 days, you have to chant Hanuman Chalisa daily 3 times after the sunset. Offer water to sun daily, and if possible then every Tuesday try to donate some sweets to the needy. It is going to help you out to overcome the challenges which you are going to face because of the Mars transit. As Mars is a fiery element, so whatever the result Mars planet gives, that is very quick result. So be conscious for this coming 45 days. Try to do these remedies. It will be going to help you out to overcome the challenges which you are going to face because of this transit. Gemini, Libra and Aquarius, you have to be conscious in your love relationship as well as fight with your relatives, as well as you have to be little bit conscious health wise too during this time. This is not so good phase for you. Career wise, this is good time for you, but otherwise health wise, love relationship wise, this is not good time. So try to be more calmer, try to avoid any type of fights with your partner or your relative. To overcome the challenges during this time, chant Hanuman Chalisa 3 times, and every Tuesday try to feed cows apples or try to donate apples to the needy. Every Tuesday it is going to help you out to overcome the challenges that you are going to face because of Mars transit in Gemini. Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, this is not at all a good period for you. Mars transit will not so favorable for you, especially for the Scorpio people. You have to be little bit cautious during this time. You have to be conscious with any type of accident, legal case on you, health related problem, career related problem, as well as problem in your love relationship. Try to be more calmer during this time and avoid taking any decisions during this time because this is not so favorable time for you. During this time, try to avoid wearing red color clothes. Stop using red color bed sheets. So this is not so good time. The remedies that you should do during this time: chant Hanuman Chalisa 3 times daily during the sunset. Offer water to sun daily. Start waking up early in the morning. Every Tuesday, try to visit any Hanuman temple or try to distribute sweets to the needy. Along with that, Light up a mustard oil lamp in front of Lord Hanuman, adding 2 cloves in it. This will be going to help you out to overcome these challenges. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and share your zodiac sign in the comment. In the next video, I'm going to share the monthly prediction for the month of September. If you have subscribed the channel, then thank you so much. If you haven't, then subscribe it so that you will be going to get the notification from us once we share the September month horoscope.